So today I'm going to be working on the fog lights. So now that it's winter, I've been using my fog lights a lot more, and I've noticed that the driver's side fog light has been out of alignment for a while, and when I went to adjust it, it looks like one of the mounting bolts just completely snapped off. So as you can see, there's quite a bit of play in the fog light itself, and it's just kind of pointing straight up. So I'm going to show you how to remove the fog lights and replace the hardware so I can re-aim them. You can do this with just simple hand tools. At first I thought maybe I'd have to access the fog light from behind the bumper. To get the bolts out, 10mm ratchet with an extension. Just to give you a better idea, I've removed the bolt on the top right, and the only thing that's holding in this fog light are 3 bolts, one located here, one located here, and this is the one that's stripped out on me, and one located down here. The one up in the top left on the driver's side is what you would use to adjust the fog light itself. Now let's just take off the remaining bolt. And this is what it looks like with the fog light out. You can see the mounting plate just behind the plastic housing. This is what it's going to look like. I just decided to go ahead and just buy replacements for both sides, just so I don't have to deal with this in the future. But as you can see here, these little tabs kind of hold it in place. And so I'm going to pull out the old one and pop this one back in. So before we do that, the first thing we're going to need to do is disconnect the fog light itself so we can thread the plug through this opening. So all you have to do now is slide the old mounting bracket out from underneath the car under this rain tray and slide the new one back in. As you can see, the new bracket has been reinstalled. This gives you a better look at the old bracket. I'm pretty sure the other side's going to look just like this, so that's why I went ahead and just ordered both sides. They're just going to get kind of rusty after a while, even up here in the Pacific Northwest. I would imagine if you live on the East Coast or any state that uses salt, this is going to become an issue a lot sooner. I also decided to get all new hardware as well. I'll leave a link in the description for everything to do this project, but I figured I may as well swap these out while I'm in there, and this should be good for another couple of years. While I have this all apart, I may as well just refresh everything. And since there's no reason to show you how to reinstall it, I'll just do a quick edit. Alright, and that's basically it. For now, I'm planning on just running the stock fog lights for a while, but I am looking into at least upgrading the bulbs or something. I would ultimately like to upgrade to maybe some kind of LED or possibly an HID system for this car. If you have any suggestions what you've done with your own Subaru, just let me know. But for now, I'm just going to run the stock setup for a while. until I decide on something.